Take a plastic bin container that has a lid as well as a handle opening on each end of the bin. Place your trash bag rolls into the container. The best part, pull the end of the trash bag from one of the rolls through the handle opening in the bin. Now store this bin under your kitchen sink for handy and tidy access to your kitchen trash bags. Do your phone charger cords go wild and never stay in place? Try this. Take a small, clear command hook, place the included sticky paper onto the back, and press it onto the side of your nightstand. Slide your charger cord into the hook and keep the phone cord in place when you're not charging your phone. Do you have kitchen or garden items that have rust on them? Mix 1 part lemon juice to 2 parts baking soda and stir to create a paste. Rub this paste onto the rusted area and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Rinse off the paste with water and gently scrub the rust off with a sponge. No more rust on these plant steaks. Take 1 cup of water and combine it in a glass jar with 1 cup of vinegar and 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. Stuff the jar with small cloths and seal the jar tightly. Give the jar a good shake to mix together the liquids and the cloths. Keep this jar handy in your kitchen or bathroom for quick and easy cleanups. Try this new way of folding your jeans. Fold the seat of the jeans over. Then fold each jean leg up a third and then another third. Tuck each folded leg into the seat of the jeans and finally fold the jean seat in half. Your jeans are now neatly folded into a small square that can be stored vertically in any drawer, shelf, or basket.
Grab some inexpensive tension rods. Take 2 tension rods and install them horizontally in your closet. The front rod should be placed about a 1/2 inch lower than the back rod. This will give your shoes a slight angle forward without them falling off. You can organize boots as well. Place the tension rods vertically to keep boots upright and organized. Is the space under your kitchen sink a jumble of cleaning bottles? Clear out the space and install 1 larger sized tension rod horizontally and in front of any sink pipes. Hang all of your cleaning spray bottles from the rod. In any kitchen cupboard, install a series of 2 tension rods vertically.
Take plastic frames purchased from Dollar Tree and remove the paper inserts and the plastic wrap. Take the frames and lay them face up in rows next to each other in a drawer. Place spices on top of them. Take 2 wire cabinet shelves and 2 plastic bins. Bend the legs of the shelves towards the center. Place storage container lids in the grooves. Now you have the perfect plastic storage container organization. Take 2 wire shower caddies and weave them together. Use zip ties, cut the zip tie tails. Now you have the perfect storage for cooking pans, baking sheets.
Are you tired of those overcrowded cabinets? Grab you 2 cake pans and a bag of marbles. Take one of those other cake pans, put it on top, and look at it spin. It's perfect for organizing.
Stop your tablecloths from blowing away. Grab some clothespins and clip the clothespins onto the tablecloth to hold the tablecloth into place. Grab some shower caps and you can use these to cover the top of your food to store it. You can also use these to put around your shoes. This will keep your shoes together, keep the dirt out of your tent and car. Grab a cake carrier, open it up, and place your plates and your silverware, napkins, and more into your cake holder. This will now help you transport any of your paper products when you're camping and keep them all together. Grab some condiment bottles from your local store. I'm grabbing a pancake mix and placing the batter into the squeeze bottle. When it's time to use it, I'll simply squirt the batter into the pan and cook up the pancake. Grab a foil pan from the store. You'll also need some charcoal and you'll need a cookie rack. Place the charcoal into the foil pan and then place the cookie rack on top and you've made a portable grill. Grab some lint from your dryer, stuff it into the toilet paper tube and give it a few squirts of hand sanitizer. Place this onto your grill and light it, and you can easily get your grill going. Now you can use your grill with ease.
How about underneath the kitchen sink? There is nothing worse than trying to get a bag to reline the trash can. What a mess. Grab a curtain rod, grab the garbage bag, mark it, cut it right there at the mark. Put the ends back on to keep it safe, put the brackets on, and look at that. It goes right on your cabinet door.
Grab some shaving cream from the dollar store. Sometimes odors sneak out from the bottom of our toilets. Take the shaving cream and spray it all along the crease of your toilet. With your rubber glove, spread it on so it covers and seals that whole opening. Let it set for approximately 10 minutes. You've now eliminated odors that were hiding underneath of your toilet between the seal and the toilet tank. Head on over to Dollar Tree and grab one of these oversized bins for these awesome grill hacks. Grab a fitted sheet and slide it right on over the top. It makes a wonderful tablecloth. Pour some water into a tall pitcher. You've now created a hand washing station. Place your ketchup, mustard, whatever you like inside the muffin dish and use this to serve them. Once you're done grilling that yummy, delicious food, clean your grill with an onion. Simply slice it in half and rub it back and forth. Grab an oversized tub from the dollar store, fill it with ice, and place a bunch of your drinks in it. This will help the drink stay nice and cool. Stop bugs from getting into your drinks by pouring the drink in the cup and then placing muffin lighters over the top of the cups.
Grab a coordinating kitchen towel and pot holder. Fold the towel and lay it out flat and place the pot holder right in the center. Pin or clip it in place. Then head over to the sewing machine and sew it straight down the middle. Now grab a button and sew that onto the pot holder. Sew on a piece of elastic, creating 2 loops. Flip the pot holder over and use some fabric glue to attach a long piece of ribbon. Slide your toothbrush and toothpaste into the elastic, fold it in half, and tie the pouch together with a ribbon. Grab a pot holder and some quick dry fabric glue, fold it in half and glue it on just 2 of the sides. Hold it in place until the glue is completely dry. This will slip right over the handle of the pan and you can pick it up and protect your hands.
I simply filled up a sandwich bag full of water and a handful of pennies inside. I sealed it up and then I hung it outside. The light hits the bag full of shiny, pretty pennies. It refracts and confuses the flies and insects. Overwhelmed, they will fly away and find somewhere else to hang out.
Pick up a big cereal container with a flip top lid, put a plastic bag inside, and you have a portable trash can for your car. Grab a cupcake liner, cut a slit in the bottom, and slip it over the bottom of a popsicle. This is going to catch any drips. Grab a caddy like this from Dollar Tree, fill it up with your kids' favorite snacks, and put it in the back seat. Has a place to keep everything so it doesn't get all over your car, and it's really easy for kids to grab a snack. Create busy bags for a road trip. Grab these inexpensive pencil pouches and fill them up with different activities. You can curate this for whatever age your kids are. Pop each pencil pouch into a Dollar Tree binder, and you can take this wherever you go. Do you have card games laying around? Gather up the cards and stick them in a travel soap container. This is going to store each game nice and neatly, and you can take it on the go or put it in your game closet.
Grab a towel bar and a hanging shoe rack from Dollar Tree. Put it on the seat in your car for easy access to road trip essentials.
Print out your label list on plain, ordinary white paper. Cut the words apart, leaving a little bit of white space surrounding the text. Now, take some clear packing tape and lay pieces of tape over each word. It helps if you put a coin on the end of the tape so you can lift it easily later on. With the edge of a debit or credit card, press against the taped word and rub vigorously across the top of the tape. Trim off any excess tape with scissors, then simply drop it in a bowl of water. Make sure it is completely submerged and let it soak for a couple of minutes. Once it has soaked for a bit, lift it from the water and start to rub across the back of the word with your fingers. The paper pulp will eventually come off from the tape, but the text will still be there.
Don't throw that old yoga mat away. Do this instead. Cut a larger piece of yoga mat and place it on your floor. Use it as a mat for your pet. Grab a little yoga mat scrap and cut it. Fold it in half and hot glue the entire thing closed. Make a hole on one end of this little piece. put a keychain through that hole. This little piece will help your keys float when in water. Cut a piece of yoga mat and wrap it around a travel mug to know what size you need. Place 2 Velcro dots on either end so that it will wrap around your travel mug and close. This will protect your hands from the heat. Grab a keyboard, measure the length and width that you need, cut that piece out, and then hot glue the entire piece closed. Place it on the edge of your keyboard on your desk and you have a wrist rest. Grab your tablet, place it on the end of a yoga mat. Flip it over so you know exactly how long you need that piece to be, and then cut that piece out. Fold the piece in half so that the fold is on one side and glue the sides on either side of the fold. There will still be an opening at the top, and this is where you can slide your tablet in and out of the case. Now you have a carrying case.
Let's start with that mess of plastic bags. Lay it out flat, fold it in half, then in half again. Fold it up into triangles. I'm going to take the handles and tuck them into the little pocket of the triangle. To fold a larger reusable bag, lay it out flat and fold it into thirds. Fold the bottom up, tuck the handles in. Lay out your kitchen towel, fold it in half again. Fold it into thirds, right into the pocket you created. Fold a bag of chips, bringing each corner together on a diagonal. Flip the bag around and fold it down 3 or 4 times. Fold over the corners. It's not gonna leak. Start by tucking in the 2 side pieces, squeeze the sides together, and tuck that final piece, making it line up really nicely in your pantry.